morning, good evening, good afternoon. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. Number 3 with the black and yellow. First blank like this wanted to bend on me, so I didn't even try with this one. I automatically trued up a spot to grab it with the chuck, so not too bad in there. So we're gonna spin this one up and see what we get out of it. So hey, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming. If you're new to the channel, hey, please like, subscribe. I drop a video a week. So yeah, kick back, enjoy the show. Thank you.
Grumpy's lathe spins, hypnotic of machines hum choir. Epoxy roach clip stack the galaxy of fire. Yellow and black swirl spiral like stars. Crafted constellations trapped in resin jars. There a tea in the spin, the pain carves deep. Each turn of the lathe, secrets it keeps. Splinters in his hands, truth in the grind. Chasing sanity he may never find. Like and subscribe, let the world collide. The aliens will take us for a ride through epoxy dreams and a cosmic tide. Grumpy's lathe spins, nowhere to hide. Pain shapes the craft, his hands bear the cost. In the workshop's haze, the past gets lost. Yellow glows like Saturn, black holes pull tight. Epoxy galaxies born under buzzing light. Sawdust planets orbit, his mind's unbound. Every roach clip a relic, a treasure found. The aliens watch, curious, amused. Grumpy's lathe spins, the craft infused. Like and subscribe, let the world collide. The aliens will take us for a ride through epoxy dreams and a cosmic tide. Grumpy's lathe spins, nowhere to hide. Shop, spinning epoxy roach clips non-stop. Yellow and black, pop like a heart attack. Aliens land with their glowing freight. Grumpy grins, it's never too late. Colors glow bright, meds rolled up tight. Milky Way spins, made in pain, made in sin. Workbench chaos, tools collide. Grumpy's got a universe inside. Resin drips like a cosmic tear. The truth ain't far, it's always near. Aliens smirk, trading goods unseen. Grumpy's workshop, a galactic dream. Colors glow bright, meds rolled up tight. Milky Way spins, made in pain, made in sin.
welcome back to the box. We're gonna finish tying up this clip right here so we can move on to the next one. I got a couple more of these black and yellows. I hope everybody's doing awesome and has had an awesome day. It is Friday night to be exact, but yeah, I hope everybody's had a great week, and I hope your weekend is off to an excellent start. Got to be careful crimping that on there. I don't want to slip off and pinch the wood. I try to get them a little bit thinner, but in actuality that is about the thickness it needs to be, because then the clip just cradles it a little better. But heavy hands can break them a little bit easier when they're skinny. So I tend to try to get them a little thicker. There's larger clips out there that you can get that'll give you more material, I guess, to clip onto the wood, but I don't like the... Come on, I might switch to the I can see glasses here real quick. I don't like the bigger clips. I will use them every now and then. If I know somebody's real heavy-handed and they request a larger clip, then for sure I'm going to accommodate them, but most people like the small clips like that. Excuse me. Right, here we go. We're going to do 1, 2, 3 pulls. Back up there. Let's see. I finished up. What you doing right there? It was supposed to be squirrel, as we say. Alright, I finished up a clip that I don't like that. I set it down, picked it back up, and now I'm looking at it at, I guess, a different angle, and it looks like I could crimp them edges down a little more. So this is where you gotta be careful, because you'll... I put my I can see glasses on, that's what happened. Right here, trying to get them edges in there, and you gotta be careful. I gotta be careful. This is where I slip off and will pinch the wood. I don't want the edges down a little bit more. Wood grain we trust, pain bleeds colors, the kaleidoscope and spin, crafting the stars where the void begins. Alright, I gotta quit messing with it. I wrap it with a thread, that'll hold it, and then when I glue it, it dang sure ain't going over again. Alright, I got the fingers that don't like to work. I'll hold it right there. I start wrapping her down. And you wrap it down, grab that tail and hold it in place. Bunch everything up right there. I don't like the way that one started up. It's a little too close to the edge of the stick. The thread was about to fall off going that direction, and I don't like that. Grumpy's in the shop, spinning epoxy. Roach clips pile up, it's a little too foxy. Yellow and black, they're popping so wild. Aliens drop by like it's cosmic style. Colors glow bright, they burn through the night. Meds rolled up tight, and it feels just right. Milky Way spins in a haze of disdain. All of this magic is just made in pain. Alright. And, let's see. Should be this video. I should have it adjusted in. adjusted my sound a little bit. In my videos, I make fresh music for every video. The only song that is identical is the opening jingle, where it's still my little credit thing saying Grumpy's LaidBak carbons and the black screen and the sticker twirling. That jingle's the same jingle every song. But everything else, where there's actually words and stuff going, every one of those songs is a new song every song. And then I make about 4 or 5 per video, and then I play them throughout the song. See, I started going up too soon. I gotta unwrap some of that. I play the video, I play the songs throughout the video, right, when I'm doing the lathe work, and then each time those songs play, that's the first time you've heard it, right? And then by the time I get to where I'm done with the lathe work and I'm here where I'm at now talking in the box, those songs that you don't hear that well are the same songs that were playing through when I was doing the lathe work. I just loop them through. For a while, it was all new songs, even that part of the video. That's why I had that to where I guess you couldn't. I tried to have it turned up to where you could hear the words for the songs, plus hear me talking, and it's just too much. And so I'm slowly adjusting it down. Turning that background music down a little bit more than what it was, and then turning my voice up a little bit more. So give me some feedback in the comments. Like I said, I'm just trying to fine tune it a little bit, so all the comments truly help. I appreciate it. Anywho, don't wrap this part too tight. You wrap this part too tight, you're gonna snap your line trying to pull it through. It is there. Keep checking behind you to make sure your line ain't twisting up back there. Now I got to admit, since I run out of my original line, this line doesn't seem to knot up on me as bad. It still tries to twist, but nothing like the old stuff did, the thinner stuff. Probably had y'all out of camera. As they say, fire the cameraman. You know, wouldn't it be funny if Grumpy's LaidBak Carbon's little old channel blowed up or where I could hire a cameraman? That would be something else, right? So we can dream. I do got to find me some different thread. I just don't like the way this it covers, but it's just thick. I don't feel my wraps are as clean as they used to be with this thicker thread. That's just my opinion. Alright, pull it through the puller. Remember, don't let go of your black thread, the tension on it, because it will unspin. Now, this part here, alright. Workbench chaos, tools collide. You chopped the block. Okay. Again, that's my wrap. Don't cut that out here. You cut it shorter than your wrap. That way it don't pull through or don't stick stick out when you pull your puller through. Yeah, I confused myself too. It's okay. Alright. That's not bad for the waist. I need to save that. I got to doctor up some slingshot bands, and I'm going to use that to tie the pouches back to the band. Alright. I choke up anymore on this part right here because I always wrap it too tight. But you'll see your tail right there, and you just pull it back through. Now that's on there, it ain't coming off. And this is where I break out the glue. I don't have no sponsors or no affiliates or anything like that, but I am gonna be applying for one. I don't even know how to do it. I guess I have to email the people. I gotta do that, and then we'll see what happens. I don't want to mention who it is yet. Don't want to jinx it. Shadows dance on walls, machines breathe deep. Who we kidding? I probably done jinxed it. Alright, you see where I'm rubbing the glue over the threads? What's a galaxy but dust and will? What's a dream but a spark until the hands turn the wheel, the fire burns bright. Oh, the thread to be saturated in the glue. If I gotta add another drop, I'd rather I'll add another drop and then wipe it off if it's too much. Most of the time, just roll it around and keep spreading it with a toothpick like this, and then keep it all good and saturated like that, and it soaks up pretty evenly that way. Gotta get a vacuum chamber sooner or later. I'm gonna get a vacuum chamber and start stabilizing my woods. And then once I start doing that, my blanks are gonna start getting a little different. Yeah, there's one spot that's not one. Grumpy's lathe spins, clock hands in a fight. Epoxy roach clip stacking high, out of sight. Yellow and black, epoxy galaxies collide. Crafting his cosmos where the resin won't hide. Therapy in the craft, born from pain. Yellow swirls dance in the alien's domain. Made in the madness, subscribe to the vibe. The aliens will take us for a ride. On the floor, constellations of dust. Lathe hums a hymn, wood grain we trust. Pain bleeds colors, a kaleidoscope and spin. Crafting the stars where the void begins. Therapy in the craft, born from pain. Yellow swirls dance in the alien's domain. Made in the madness, subscribe to the vibe. The aliens will take us for a ride. A lathe's lullaby, hypnotic and deep. Grumpy's hands carve dreams while the rest just sleep. Epoxy whispers secrets, galaxies unfold through resin and roach. A universe told. Therapy in the craft, born from pain. Yellow swirls dance in the alien's domain. Made in the madness, subscribe to the I done zoned out on that one, forgot I had a video going. Yep, see, that's why I do this stuff. I just get in the zone. Don't think about nothing. That's the cool thing about art. You could be hurting. Granted, it don't take the pain away. That's why we put that little hashtag made in pain. But when you're focusing on your art so much, you're not focusing on your pain anymore. And when all you do is deal with paint all day, any kind of relief is awesome, right? Alright. This is another cool clip. It didn't get too much babble. I wasn't running my mouth at all, was I? Alright, let's see here. Still don't have my overhead light on the switch up there. Ooh. And my UV light's about dead. I don't think we're gonna get much glow. No. Let's see.
Exotic goods from a world far away, but the grind never stops, it's another long day. Colors glow bright, they burn through the night. Meds roll up tight, and it feels just right. Milky Way spins in a haze of this thing.
That's it, I can't do no UV glow tonight. I sure can't. Alright, well, that's another one done. And of course that glue's gotta get completely dry before I put it up.
In the resin, a galaxy
it's also getting better. Need a polishing wheel to put onto my lathe. And I can buff these out a little bit more, but that looks awesome with that mica powder in there. It's like a metallic mica. So, and then it kind of, the colors pulled good together. Alright, y'all got some babble anyway. I appreciate y'all. If y'all made it this far, please like, subscribe, throw me some comments. Do not forget to go please check out my description and go check out Spike Williams' link in there. He's getting super close to hitting that goal. Y'all have an awesome night and thank you. Let's see, I think I got 2 more with the yellow and black. I got these 2. This one's pretty much all yellow. I run out of my blacks the way I was mixing my colors when I did this one, so not much black in that one. But this one here is gonna have some cool swirl in it, and I can see into it a little bit right through here. It looks pretty neat. But alright, y'all have an awesome day, safe weekend, all that good stuff. Thank you.